Number 13 from the Chapter 7 homework. This problem reads that Better Plastics is a mature manufacturing firm. The company just paid a $4 annual dividend, but management expects to reduce the payout by 3% per year indefinitely. If you require a 12% return on the stock, what will you pay for the share today? Okay, this problem just shows you that this constant growth dividend model can be applied not only for positive growth but for negative growth as well. All it requires is that the growth rate, be it actually growing or shrinking, is constant. And in this case, they're actually going to reduce the payout ratio by 3% per year instead of increasing it like we've done in the previous problems. But we can still apply the exact same formula here. We want to know the price at, we don't really know what year is when, but the formula is that the price at time period 0 today is going to be equal to the next period's dividend, or D1, divided by our required rate of return minus the growth rate. In order to find it for this problem, though, rather than growing the dividend by whatever growth rate percent it gave us in the problem, we're going to actually shrink it. So we change things around a little bit. We're going to do the previous dividend of $4 that it just paid times 1 minus 0.03, because we want to shrink that $4 by 3% rather than grow it. And so that's why we're actually subtracting here. So 4 times 1 minus 0.03. Okay, so we want about 97% of that $4. We're going to shrink it by 3%. Okay, and now that's divided by 0.12, or 12%, was our required rate of return, minus the growth rate. But in this case, the growth rate is a minus 0.03. Okay, so we're actually going to plug in a negative number in there, and we'll wind up adding in the denominator instead of subtracting like we did before. Okay, so you've got 4 times 1 minus 0.03 divided by what turns into 0.12 plus 0.03 in the denominator there. Since you got minus and negative, that turns into an addition. And if you plug that into your calculator, you should find that the price today is $25.87. And that's what we'd be willing to pay today in order to receive that future stream of expected dividends.